Hey guys, it's Michaela here, and today we are playing Flood Escape once again. Because I literally love this game. This game is like my favorite game. Yeah, this game is my favorite game. And as you guys can see, I am on easy. Because easy is like always like you can escape, right? Totally not to die. Okay, guys, yeah. Today I don't even know what I'm saying. Anyways, one more player, so let's spectate on them. Okay, it's Harley. I don't know if it's Harley. Is it Harley or Harley? I don't know. I am very sorry if I pronounce your name wrong. It's just because I'm bad at names, pronouncing them. Very sorry. Okay, she's climbing up the ladder. Okay, she's gonna. Ah, how did she make that? Almost everybody that doesn't make that. Oh, she almost fell, but it's okay. She didn't. Good, good, good. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. She has to unlock the door. That one. Nice. Okay, girl. You have to jump right there, and then boom, you're done. She got that right. Passcode right. Nope, wrong. Right. Come on. Yes, the game has ended. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready to begin. Okay, so first what you need to do on this one. Okay, somebody already did it. Oh, the water's going here. Come on, girl. This is what I really hate about people. Like, they are always like, very slow and laggy. And then sometimes they fall down and like they die. But it's okay. It's okay. It's part of the rules anyways. And yeah, people make mistakes anyways. So yeah. It's okay, okay. This girl is going, come on. Okay, boom. Come on, y'all. Well, I just passed that entrance. What I'm supposed to do is to go here, Then, sir. Really, she just pressed that button. That was a waste of time, but it's okay. Because I can go to the line and... Come on. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. I thought I was gonna die. Come on, did she make it? Good, she made it. Oh, I hate parkour. By the way, if you guys didn't check the video, the other one. Come on, get it? Okay, good. Okay, we have to go here. I hope we win. Because like the other video when I played this game, I only got 1 wins. 1 win. When I played that game, oh my gosh, I thought I was gonna fall. if I fall, I am literally gonna scream. Where's the others? Come on, girl. She's taking forever. Come on. I'm joking. Yeah, I know. People lag. But it's okay. Yes. No, it's gonna be 4, 5, 4. Oh well, I guess I'm going to the... Oh, not this one. Too hard. I know people on hard. Wait, not on easy. On hard, it's really difficult. Wait. Nobody's even on hard. What on her? No, theme color. No. Oh, never mind. Oh. Okay. Yay, I almost can buy that that coil. Gravity coil. Very easy. Very easy. Very easy. Very easy. Very easy. Oof. It's not easy. It's not easy. Why did I even say that? It ain't easy. That ain't easy. Yep. Oh. I need 3 more wins. This is, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, this is a weak gravity coil. This weak gravity coil will allow you to jump higher. That's what I need, alright? Because that makes you kind of cheap, you know? Dun, dun, dun. Mm-hmm. And also, yes, you guys, they have these cool things that you can like, I don't know. But I don't want to buy that. What's a safety? Really? These cost Robux. Oh well, I don't really care. Anyways, 3 more people. So I'm gonna actually... gonna spectate. Easy bees. Oh my gosh. It's gonna really fast. Come on. Please, it has ended. It has ended. Okay. You're starting to come here. Okay, you guys, this is the last round. Yeah, this is the last round. Yep, last round. Oh my gosh, I hate this one. Oh wait, I forgot you have to parkour. I hate this! Parkour! Ooh, I don't like this. It's this parkour game because it's always worse for me. For me. Okay. This is the second one. This one's easy. Well, I don't want to jinx myself because I think I died on this one. Okay, there you go. Got it. Okay. Eat. I think I'm gonna beat this level. 2 more person. Come on, you guys. The water's gonna come soon. Come on. Yes. Oh no. Why does it have to be this? But I thought it's gonna be hard on this one. No. Man, I always jinx myself. Why did I even agree? Anyways, let's fast this boost. Boosty boost. There you go. I received 5 points. What does taunting me do? Open extra lives. Okay, open maps. Limit choose on a map. Oh. Close map. Thanks, but I am gonna. Oh yeah, by the way, guys. I just told you guys this was the last round, but yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to smash that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, you guys, I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye, guys. Oh my gosh, I gotta escape. Oh my gosh, I can't even jump. Help.